Hello viewers, welcome again. Today we are going to show you that amazing creation of felt craft. Felt craft ornaments and felt craft creations are very amazing and very usual and very useful for every home decoration. And this can be part of our life for with children, and we can do very better family time, quality time with our family and doing craft very well. As well, you know that our videos, our channel gives you the best tradition ideas, best crafting ideas for everyone who wants to create something. Either is useful with the burlap or jute and felt ornaments, or recycle fabrics and recycle ideas. Hope you enjoying these designs and ideas. Crafting benefits are unbelievable and uncountable, because crafting that gives relief for your mind and a stress release hormone to create in your mind. So in this video I going to show you that amazing creation like that. So in this Xmas season, either it's Xmas season or holiday season, craft season, these are very useful and interesting designs, and by getting ideas from this video you can create many types of things like that. Many types of ideas you can create. Hope you're enjoying these designs and ideas. Please try to bring that amazing cozy touch in your life. So viewers, in this video we are going to show you that amazing creation and collection for everyone who wants to create something new and different. Viewers, here are very beautiful projects of school project, and felt ornaments, felt fabric craft are very useful, and children wants to love that. And children wants to create that, and you can spend very beautiful time with your children, and children make easily something with it. Children can make easily something with it, either it's tree, house, sugar cane, and many more things for this upcoming festival season. So hope you enjoying these ideas and designs, and tell me what do you think about that. These designs are useful or not? I hope these designs are very useful and interesting for everyone who wants to create something, who wants to watch this video. Please comment on my channel, and we are really happy to see your comments and really love to read about that. So thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you give time for this video, and I really want to thank who commenting on my channel. Your comments is power for our channel, and I wish you all are happy, and may your home fulfilled with love, happiness and prosperity and magic to fill your life. Keep creating, keep crafting something new and beautiful. So I wish you feel happy and better for your life, and may your home and life fulfilled with very happiness, very beautiful crafting, very beautiful happiness, very beautiful decorating ideas in your life and home. Thank you once again. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Thank you for joining me today. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. May your home fulfilled with love and happiness. Keep creating, keep crafting, keep making something beautiful and different. Have a very nice day, beautiful journey.